Manipulation often goes unnoticed due to trust, fear of conflict, or emotional attachment. Recognizing these factors is essential for identifying manipulation and protecting yourself from its effects. Consider a scenario where a friend only interacts when they need help, ignoring you otherwise. Critical thinking questions can help you identify signs of manipulation and set boundaries to protect your emotional well-being. Guilt tripping involves making you feel guilty to force agreement. Recognizing whether a request is fair or emotionally pressuring is crucial for defending against this manipulative tactic. Gaslighting makes you doubt your memory or reality, using phrases like, "that never happened." Understanding this tactic helps you maintain trust in yourself and resist manipulative behavior. Love bombing involves excessive affection to gain control. Recognizing whether this behavior is genuine or strategic is essential for protecting yourself from manipulative relationships. Silent treatment is a common manipulation tactic where someone ignores you to punish or control. It can lead to anxiety, confusion, and self-blame. Recognizing this behavior is crucial, as silence can be a powerful control tactic. Threats and ultimatums force choices through fear, often with statements like, "if you don't do this, I'll leave you." It's important to differentiate between a discussion and a threat to protect yourself from manipulation. Playing the victim, or using a pity ploy, is a manipulation tactic to gain sympathy. Signs include always being the victim, exaggerating problems, and making unrealistic requests. Consider whether they are asking for help or trying to control. Scapegoating involves blaming someone else for your mistakes. For example, when a team fails, one student might always be blamed. Instead of accepting blame, look for evidence to understand the real issue. Critical thinking protects you from emotional pressure by using tools like asking why, checking evidence, considering other explanations, trusting your feelings, and setting boundaries. Remember, emotion plus pressure should lead to pause and think. Ask why someone wants something from you. Consider their intention and whether they are trying to control your decision. This helps you understand if their request is genuine or manipulative. Check evidence before accepting statements that sound emotional or urgent. Ask if there is proof or if the situation is being overstressed. This helps you avoid being swayed by manipulation. Consider other explanations, as there is always more than one side to a story. Ask yourself if there could be another reason for the situation, helping you see beyond manipulation. Trust your feelings when something feels wrong, confusing, or uncomfortable. Your emotions can act as a warning system, guiding you to pause and reassess the situation. Set boundaries by asserting your right to say no, needing time to think, or expressing discomfort. Healthy people respect boundaries, while manipulative people resist them. Manipulation works fast, while critical thinking works slowly. Urgency is often a manipulation tactic, demanding speed and preventing thoughtful decision-making. Real decisions allow time. In real-life scenarios, critical thinking involves asking why, checking evidence, considering other explanations, trusting feelings, and setting boundaries. This process helps you analyze manipulative situations effectively. Final solution: studio microphone. Good response: "I can help explain, but I won't share my file." Right finger why? Polite, firm, logical. This is smart decision-making. Conclusion: today we learned what emotional manipulation is, how to recognize it, warning signs and types, how critical thinking protects us. Remember, don't react emotionally, think logically. Pause, analyze, and decide. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Edu AI Verse channel for more educational content.